Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel and to another simple recipe. Today I'm cooking a variation of a Russian original. Beef stroganoff includes sauteed pieces of steak, mushrooms and onions in a thick and flavorful sour cream sauce. I served mine over steamed rice and it was so delicious. Let's get started. Okay, so here I have 2 tablespoons of flour, which I am seasoning very simply with salt and black pepper to taste. Don't forget to check out the ingredients in the description below, okay? Now, I'm adding the thinly sliced pieces of steak to my seasoned flour and proceeding to coat them bulonji. This is gonna do 3 things when I'm cooking my meat. First, it's gonna brown the meat better. Second, it's gonna enhance the flavor of the sauce. And third, the flour is gonna act as a thickener. Now, after adding oil to my heavy based pan, I'm going in with the coated pieces of beef, which I'm going to saute until they are browned nicely and cooked through. So the cut of beef I used in this recipe is filet steak, which cooks in under 10 minutes. My goodness. I actually found this at a very good price. I don't think the butcher had a clue what he was selling, because instead of paying the usual 35,000 shillings for a kilogram, I paid only 16k. I ran out of the shop before the butcher could see the light. Anyways, so after about 8 minutes, my beef has browned up nicely and I'm removing the pieces from the pan and setting them aside. So next I'm going in with my mushrooms. You can't believe I found these ones at the back of my fridge. I've had so many amazing surprises while creating this stew. So typically button mushrooms are used in beef stroganoff, but I decided to use the more available and affordable oyster mushrooms, which I cooked till they were just beginning to caramelize on the edges. Add the onions and cook until soft and translucent, or for just 5 minutes. Next up is the chopped garlic. Cook really quickly for 30 seconds, stirring constantly. You know the drill. Okay, so it's time to add the tomato paste and sour cream, which is the absolute star of the show. I'm going to be uploading a video on how you can make your own sour cream at home using just 2 readily available ingredients. So please click on the notification bell so you'll be among the first to know as soon as that video goes up, okay? So you want to reduce the heat and stir through the sour cream, making sure to deglaze the pan. And once that is done, add your browned beef back into the pan to heat it up gently. I'm gonna be back shortly, okay? So I really hope you were blessed by that scripture. And back to the stroganoff. After the beef has been heated through, I'm going ahead to sprinkle it with chopped parsley and then to plate my dish. Now I enjoyed mine with a side of braised dodo or green amaranth and steamed rice. Alternative sides include pasta, mashed potatoes, matooke, and even chapati. Let me tell you something, beef stroganoff is the ultimate in comfort food. It's easy and quick to make once you have the right cut of beef, and it tastes amazing. I want to thank you so much for watching today's video, and until my next one, may the good Lord just cause you to walk in so much laughter that everyone around you experiences the joy of the Lord. Bye.